Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can unprivate your TikTok account under 20 seconds, because it's pretty simple. So I think you can probably do it under 20 seconds. Alright, so just follow the step I'm going to show you guys. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's continue with this problem which you want to fix. First step, open TikTok, log in into your TikTok account. After you logged in into your TikTok account, you want to click on versus profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you go over here, you can click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. It is also called the hamburger menu. Just click on it and this option will pop up. And from this option, you want to choose settings and privacy. Now once you're on the settings and privacy page of TikTok, you're half done. Over here, you just want to click on versus privacy. And on privacy, if your account over here where it says at the top private account, if it is turned on, that means your account is private, which means nobody can watch your content, like your videos, unless they follow you. So only your followers can see it. But if you want to make it public, just turn this off, click on switch, and now your account is public, which means anybody can view your account. They can watch your videos, they can like, comments on your videos, and even see the number of followers you have, and even know who follows you, who doesn't follows you. Alright, so that's the feature you get if you unprivate your TikTok account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.